Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, April 20th, and I'm back for another round of Ford Technical Analysis. That's Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F, and in this video I'll be discussing last week's price action and the general trends occurring with Ford on different timescales right now. Finally, we will identify some critical support levels and resistance levels to help us predict the future price movement. Without further ado, let's get started. Ford sold off today after the $12 support level was broken. The last 2 weeks of low buying volume and tight daily ranges has finally come to an end as the daily 50 SMA support level was broken and subsequently rejected yesterday. To me, this signals the end of the month-long bear-bull battle between $12 and $13. Looking back to the daily volume that we saw in the past month, the trend showed generally decreasing volume constrained by the $13 resistance level on the high side and the $12 psychological support on the low side. Now, Ford's price has rallied almost 50% since the beginning of the year, trading high above the 200 SMA daily support. So it wasn't a big surprise to me to see steadily decreasing buying volume after we crossed $12. Now, I do think that Ford will continue to rally higher this year, but at the same time, Ford is trading below its daily 20 EMA and daily 50 SMA, which means it's trending down right now. For these reasons, I've closed my long positions for the time being, and I'll be watching and waiting for a new support level to be established. Finally, let's consider the possible support levels that we might encounter in the future of this sell-off. First, there's the 200 SMA on the daily, which is at about $9 right now. On the weekly chart, we're still trading above all three important moving averages. I think it's unlikely that the weekly 20 EMA will act as a support, but if it does, it could hold the price above $11. The weekly 50 SMA would probably be a strong support, but we may encounter the weekly 200 SMA first. The weekly 200 SMA is important because if it acts as a strong support and holds, it will confirm the rally that's been happening since January. We can go one step further by looking at the monthly chart, where we are once again trading high above the important moving averages. This timescale seems to suggest that we could find our support in the $9 to $10 range, somewhere near the monthly 20 EMA or 50 SMA. In summary, Ford has broken down through the $12 support level and is now trading under the daily 50 SMA, which is acting as a resistance level. This year's rally has pushed prices high above the moving average supports, and it seems that there were just not enough buyers above $12 to sustain this rally. This price action has led to a sell-off, with the nearest support around $11. But realistically, support will probably kick in closer to $9. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this analysis useful.